Hello, I'm Deepak and I'm going to sing a beautiful song from 1959 movie Choti Behan. Music was given by Shankar Jaikishan. This movie, uh, Rajendra or Balraj Sahani, Shekhar Rahman and Nanda, the Meena, they live together. Rajendra is the older brother, Shekhar is the younger brother, and Meena is youngest. Rajendra, they are poor, but they love each other. He works in a factory and he supports the family. And he wants to pay for education for his brother, but he does not have money. So Meena sells of her jewelry and sends the money. But Shekhar in the college falls in love with a daughter of a rich guy, and Rajendra comes to know about it, and he comes and meets her father, and they decide for the marriage. But he wants Meena or Nanda to get married first. So they suggest a doctor, Ramesh Mathur, for her, and they agree for marriage. But before the marriage could happen, Meena falls from a swing and injures her head and becomes blind. So the boy's father cancels the wedding, even though boy had no objection to marry her. Also, for the marriage, Rajendra has to borrow money from his rich uncle, and he mortgages his house to him. So uncle comes back and tells Rajendra and Meena to get out of the house, and he possesses the house because Rajendra is unable to give the money back. Also, Nanda or Meena is sick and he is late for his work, and the work fires him. So now they are homeless and no job. And soon he falls sick. So Meena is looking for a doctor, and even though she is blind, she finds a clinic, and she meets the same doctor who was supposed to marry her. In the meantime, Chachaji has a son, Mahmood, and he falls in love with a poor girl. So his father drives him out. So he starts driving rickshaw. And he's a very decent person, and he loves all his cousins. Now, doctor soon falls in love with Meena, even though she is blind, and he apologizes that, look, I did not marry you then, I'm sorry. And what happens is that when Meena goes back, Rajendra is not there because he's looking for her. So now Meena also runs around to find her brother, and she also wants to meet Shekhar because Shekhar is also not doing well because he's smoking and drinking and spending all the money. So she tries to meet him, and she meets with an accident. So everybody then goes to the hospital where they meet each other. Shekhar apologizes to his brother and to his sister. The sister or Meena survives the accident, and the Dr. Mathur asks for her hand from Rajendra, and they are very happy and they get married, and that's how the movie ends. Also, Chachaji also has a misfortune. His house burns off, and he has to start working as a laborer on the street. So, what you do in the life, you have to pay back, and that's what happens in this movie. Little bit about Nanda, and she was actually a baby Nanda because her father, who was only 41 and died, so she had to support her 6 siblings, and she started working as a baby Nanda. But her career blossomed with this movie, Choti Behan. After that, she acted in several great movies, including Dhul Ka Phool and Fool Gumnam, Iftikhar, The Train, Prem Rog, Kala Bazaar, Bhabhi, etc. So she never married. She was engaged to Manmohan Desai, but he fell from a roof and died. So she never married. And in the last few years of her life, she was sort of isolated from everybody. She was a great actress. Rahman was smoking and drinking and gambling in this movie. And in the real life, also he was a heavy smoker and also used to drink a lot. And he had heart attacks, 3 of them. And he developed throat cancer from smoking and drinking. And he was not able to speak in last few weeks of his life. He was only 63 when he died. And that was his story. So let's listen to this great song. Enough about this talk. Let's listen to this song, Jaun Kahan Bataye Dil by Mukesh. Beautiful song. I wish Balraj Sahani was singing this song and not Rahman in this movie. जाऊं कहाँ बताए दिल, दुनिया बड़ी है संदिल, चांदनी आई घर जलाने, सुझे ना कोई मंजिल, जाऊं कहाँ बताए दिल, दुनिया बड़ी है संदिल, चांदनी आई घर जलाने, सूझे ना कोई मंजिल, जाऊं कहाँ बताए दिल। आसमां भी गए हैं बदल, कहती है जिंदगी इस जहां से निकल, कहती है जिंदगी इस जहां से निकल, जाऊं कहाँ बताए दिल, बड़ी है संदिल, चांदनी आई घर जलाने, सूझे ना कोई मंजिल, जाऊं कहाँ बताए दिल। आंसुओं की डगर, जाने उस पार क्या हो किसे है खबर, ठोकरें खा रही हर कदम पर नजर, ठोकरें खा रही हर कदम पर नजर, जाऊं कहाँ बताए दिल, दुनिया बड़ी है संदिल, चांदनी आई घर जलाने, सूझे ना कोई मंजिल, बताए दिल, दुनिया बड़ी है संदिल, चांदनी आई घर जलाने, सूझे ना कोई मंजिल, जाऊं कहाँ बताए दिल. I just wanted to say that this movie had a great music by Shankar Jaikishan. There were several great songs beside this one. The other songs were Bhaiya Meri Rakhi Ke Bandhan Ko Nibhana by Lata Mangeshkar. And then there was wonderful forgotten song, मैं रंगीला प्यार का राही, दूर मेरी मंजिल. And the other one, मैं रिक्शा वाला, both by Mohammad Rafi, and these were sung by Mahmood in this movie. He had a very good role. So thank you very much for listening. This is Deepak.